Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And it's been a while, and we are going to do the reading for the month of March for the collective. Whoever is watching this video, this message is for you. And before we start, I would like to thank, first of all, congratulations, yay, because we just hit 51 subscribers, and I'm so happy. And I cannot thank you enough for the support and love that you have given me in such small time. And please keep this coming because it's energy exchange. You love me, I love you back, and it's awesome. It's awesome. So if you have not, please subscribe to my channel. I send energies, I channel positive affirmations so that you be in the state and you manifest quick, fast, like in the blink of an eye. You won't even believe that it just happened, right? So okay, let's start. I have already shuffled the cards for the month, and we have Six of Wands, Seven of Wands, and King of Swords. Very action wali energy, I would say, because this is the time that you need to start putting out the work. You were thinking, you were in a thinking zone. Now you have made the decision. Now you know clearly that this is what I want, and this is the time that you access that success. This is the victory time for you. I'm feeling it so strongly. I cannot tell you enough. If you are watching this video, you have worked hard. You have put all your efforts mentally, physically, and you have just doing it completely. You were in it completely. You are focused. And that is now paying off. In March, I know it's late, but in the March, if you have not already, you are going to receive the fruit. You are going to see the success. It's going to be anything that you have been desiring, it is coming. Now, people have been against you. People have said, no, it's not gonna come. What are you thinking? You are thinking so big, and this is impossible. People have been telling you that, and you have held it strong in your mind that no, I am going to manifest it, I am going to achieve it, I am putting the effort. Sometimes you were telling them on their face, sometimes you were just, I do not want to talk about this, I'm going to work on it. And you know what, it's paying off, and I'm really very happy. For some of you, there is this vibe of the strong decision making that you need to make now. Now is the time that you have been dwindling. You have been focused on what can be done or not to be done. It can be anything. It, I kind of sense it is regarding career, or for some of you it may be a love choice also, because you have been thinking, it's like you have not been able to understand. You thought, like it will happen on its own, it will solve it on its own, I do not know, I cannot. You have been avoiding the problem, but now it's the time you have to make the decision, and the decision will come to you straight when you let go of it. In your mind only you will find the right decision, in your, not in your heart, in your mind, in your mind, in your thoughts. When you let go of your thoughts, you will know exactly what you need to do, and you are going to understand that and make that decision out there. Like you will speak loud, very loud. Okay, very shaky energy. Temperance, we have temperance, and we have knight of cups. We also have devil, and it just shook my cards. So for some of you, a new proposal is coming. Has to be, you have been working a lot on yourself, you have been taking care of yourself, you thought that, I am going to prioritize myself, my happiness above everything, and now it has paid. You have been patient. I see patience as like, oh my god, you have been balancing your work life and your personal life. You thought you're alone, but you found the happiness in that alone. I won't call it loneliness, no, that is totally different, because you decided, no, I'm not going to call it loneliness. I am alone, but I love myself and I am full of confidence, full of love. You took care of yourself, and then that love that you showed for yourself is now coming to you by outside world. And you know what, I feel like it sounds like you don't even care at all. Like, yeah, you knew it's gonna come, it is going to happen. It can be a specific person that is coming back to you, and people have been showing attention to you. Just comment if it's been happening to you, because it's meant to be. It's March, and it's like number 6. I feel like this is the time when you actually see the progress, and it's going to be beneficial. Like, so many people out there are going to see that what they have been manifesting is finally coming here. Now the devil is telling me that, what, do not get um, fogged by all this, whatever is happening, and dwindle from your path. You have been doing very good. You have been focused. You have been loving yourself. You have been manifesting great. You have been watching my videos and you have been in the state. So keep doing that. Just don't let it go. Don't let the negative things come to you at the right end, because sometimes it happens when the manifestation that you have been desiring, it comes to you, and just before that you just let go. You give up. You think that maybe it's not gonna come, or maybe it's too easy. I do not want to. Just don't do that, okay? And one more thing I'm sensing is, if you are shutting yourself down and thinking that even this success, even the good things are coming, and you change yourself, just do not change yourself. Be calm, be a good person, the good human. Be humble, be grateful. All those good things that you have been manifesting, that you actually are, that your pure soul that you are, the smile that you actually feel from inside, do not let it go away, wash away by this sudden success that you get, or sudden proposals that you get. Just stay calm. The temperance is also telling me, stay calm. Do not forget to be on the ground. Keep your feet on the ground and find that balance. So this March is really awesome for many of you, and I'm also sending and channeling my wishes and my love and good luck from the divine to you. So please like and subscribe to accept, because it does work. When the collective and everybody, you energy exchanges, they work. You will see that. All right, so that was it from me for the March, and I'll see you again. And thank you again for the subscribers, and please keep it coming. And I'm going to do a live reading also, so we can actually sit live and chat and ask questions and know each other better, and also learn a lot about manifestations. There are few things that people do wrong, and there are few pointers and few techniques that works wonderfully, so we can share that to each other. So for that, kindly again like and subscribe. Peace be to all of you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.